Hi, today I am going to show you easy way to make YouTube videos and make money using ChatGPT. We will need few softwares for this. First, we will need to go to pexels.com. Here you can download royalty-free videos which you can use for your YouTube channel. I am making a YouTube Shorts video about benefits of fruits and vegetables. I am going to download few videos from here and save it in my computer, which will be used to edit later in the video. You can always be kind and give some donations to the person's video you will be using. After we have our videos ready and downloaded, we will go to ChatGPT website here. I will write fruits and veg benefits here. As you can see, it will give us information on benefits of fruit and vegetables. I will ask it to give me few more information. Now we need to open a software called Balabolka. You can download it for free. All the information that ChatGPT has given us, we can just copy and paste it on Balabolka here. Then go on to Tools and click on Use Online TTS Service here. Paste the information here again. Select a destination to save the voice. Select what country voice you would like and click Save. After it has processed everything, it will say recording complete, and now we have a voice for our video. Now you will need a video editing software. I am using Clipchamp Video Editor.it is free on Windows, and it's very easy to use. You can use any video editing software of your choice. Here I will edit my video. You will have to be creative and spend some time on making it look attractive and informative as much as possible. After my video is complete, I will go to YouTube and upload it as shorts. You can create a lot of quality videos in less time and grow your channel and make money from YouTube by doing so. I hope this video was helpful. Let's all be creative and make some amazing content and be successful. All the best. Eating a variety of fruits and vegetables has numerous health benefits. Some of the benefits include: fruits and vegetables are high in essential vitamins and minerals, which are necessary for maintaining good health. They are a good source of dietary fiber, which helps to keep the digestive system healthy and can aid in weight loss. Many fruits and vegetables are high in antioxidants, which can help to reduce the risk of chronic diseases, such as heart disease and cancer. They are low in calories and fat, making them a good choice for those who are trying to lose weight or maintain a healthy weight. Consuming a diet rich in fruits and vegetables may help to lower blood pressure and improve cholesterol levels. They may also reduce the risk of developing type 2 diabetes and certain types of cancer. Fruits and vegetables are good sources of phytochemicals, which are plant compounds that have a variety of health benefits. For example, carotenoids found in orange and yellow fruits and vegetables may help to improve vision and boost the immune system. They can help to improve skin health and appearance. So eat them.